Hello, Annie Sullivan All-Stars. This week I want to talk about three things. I want to talk about habit 1, and I want to talk about math and reading. So let's start with habit 1. Be proactive. I'm in charge of my life. And when we say that, that means that you have a can-do attitude and you always try your best at everything you do. This week I've noticed a few students in classrooms and in my office that math sometimes is challenging. But I want you to remember that when something is challenging, that is when your brain learns. Your brain doesn't learn when something's easy. Your brain only learns when there is disequilibrium. That means it's challenging. It's not quite easy to do. So thank you for persevering and trying hard even when it's hard. The next is following directions and do the right thing without being asked, even when no one is looking. And that is called integrity. Integrity is a big word that means you do the right thing even when no one's around. And I am so proud of some second graders. I saw 203 go to the bathroom and they did such an excellent job being in the bathroom and doing what they needed to do and coming out and leaving the bathroom just as clean as it was when they went in there. So awesome job. That is integrity. That means you're taking care of things even when your teacher's not in there and watching you. And that's the same thing for at home. If you're at home and your mom asks you to do something and you do it right away, that means you have integrity and people can trust you. If you're at the store and you see something you really like and you think that maybe I should take it because I really want it, but then you don't because you know it's against the law and you know it's not the right thing to do and you walk away, that means you have integrity. The other part of habit 1 is I choose my actions, my attitudes, my moods, and I don't blame others for my wrongdoing. So now I'm going to show you this really cool circle. There's 2 circles, and the inside circle is what I have control of, and the outside circle is things I don't have control of. The things we can control are our words, our actions, our ideas, the way we play, our effort, and how we conquer mistakes and our behavior. The things we don't have control over are other people's actions, words, ideas, feelings, and their mistakes. So it's important to focus on the things we can control in the middle of the circle, and that will make the best and biggest impact. All right, now it's time for our sign language skill for the week. Here it is.
Hello everyone. If you remember, we are learning how to sign the entire Pledge of Allegiance. So let's review what we learned last week. I pledge allegiance. And this week we're going to learn to the flag. Now in ASL, we don't sign the word to and we don't sign the word the. So all we have to learn is one sign, flag. So this is the ground, your arm's the pole, and this is the flag waving. So let's put it all together. I pledge allegiance to the flag. And you just keep your sign going while you say to and the. All right, I'm excited to show you more next week. Have a great week.
All right, let's see if I can do it. I pledge allegiance to the flag. Awesome job. I'm looking forward to seeing your entire class do the whole Pledge of Allegiance with American Sign Language. And then maybe I can make a video of some class doing that. That would be awesome. Okay, so I want to talk about the second thing is math. And on Friday, I went onto Dreambox and I could see everyone's information. And I noticed that we have increased the number of students who did 5 lessons or more. So awesome job. Very exciting. Also, I noticed that we had almost every single student get on Dreambox. So awesome. I'm very proud of you and happy because when you do those hard lessons, you will increase your mathematical knowledge. So continue to do the hard work of learning And then our third thing I wanted to talk about was reading. I know that many of you are starting to read in your book boxes, and many of you are starting to read in small groups with either Mr. Maud or Miss Nielsen or your classroom teacher or even Mrs. Modal. All the different teachers have groups and they're starting to read together, which is awesome. But then there's a component of reading that needs to be done outside of school. So if you don't have a library card, you can get a library card from Oakview Library. And it's so exciting because you can check out new books every day. And if you're not sure, you can ask your teacher if you can borrow a book to take home. But it's important that you either read 20 minutes every night, or if you're in kindergarten or first grade and you're just learning to read, you can have one of your family members read to you, because when that happens, you get to learn new vocabulary and understand language even better. So make it a great day. The choice is yours. And remember, at Annie Sullivan, we lead to succeed.